In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Figma Prototype as GIF Figma tutorial. First, open the Figma website in your browser. If you're not signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your files. Having a stable internet connection helps, especially if your project is image-heavy or includes multiple frames, because the plugin we'll use runs inside Figma's interface. Next, open your page or file that contains the prototype or frames you want to turn into an animation. Make sure you're on the correct page and that your layers are organized. Clear layer names and a reasonable frame size will make the animation and export process smoother and faster. Now, use Figma's quick actions to get to the plugin area. You can do this by clicking the search bar at the top of the app labeled Quick Actions or by using the shortcut that opens that search panel. This is where you can quickly find commands and plugins without digging through menus. Inside Quick Actions, switch to the Plugins section so that you're specifically searching for plugins. In the search field, type Figmotion. This plugin adds a timeline and animation controls right inside Figma, which makes it a convenient way to animate existing frames and export your work. When Figmotion appears in the results, click Run. Figma will open the plugin panel right on top of your canvas. Give it a second to load if your file is large. You'll see an interface with a timeline, properties, and layer controls that correspond to the objects in your frame. From here, feel free to explore this plugin. Figmotion lets you set keyframes, adjust easing, and manage timing for movements, opacity, and other properties. As you preview your animation, keep an eye on the duration and size, because those factors directly affect the quality and file weight of a GIF. Within the plugin, look for export or render options that allow you to output your animation as a GIF. Typical controls include frame rate, dimensions, and looping behavior. Choosing a moderate frame rate and keeping your frame size reasonable will help you get a crisp result without a huge file. If your animation looks jittery, try smoothing the easing or slightly increasing the frame rate. If the file is too large, shorten the timeline, reduce image complexity, or lower the dimensions. When you're satisfied with the preview, use the export controls provided by the plugin to generate your GIF and save it to your computer. That's it. You've opened Figma, accessed your page, launched Figmotion through Quick Actions, and explored the plugin to produce a GIF from your prototype.